guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I'm going to go back to negative space because that's what we do the less often. So I think it's going to be nice to try again, but this time we're going to put the background white. Then we're going to do a flip cup, but a flip cup with a few colors, about 4 colors, but we're going to put in it Floetrol and Silicone. So we'll see what happens, so let's go and try it and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. So guys, I hope you're going to agree that the result I think is great. I think we have a nice mixture between all the colors, but we're far away from what I wanted to do at first, which was the negative space. Now we have a regular painting, but I think that the mix between the color and the white, I think it's great. I think it's a very nice way that it's going to end. The finish is going to be great. So anyway, it's something that we have to try. Like you saw, I did burn it a little bit to make more cells. Then that's what, like you saw, I did let it sit for a while. But one thing that I noticed was that my canvas wasn't tight enough. So everything was coming in the middle. So I didn't like very much the finish it was and the way it was going to be. Like, you know, like always, I don't see it once it's dry, but I think it's going to be a bit nicer that way. So that's why after a long time that I thought about it, I did let go a little bit of painting, because like always I did put a lot of it, and too much as a matter of fact. But well, I think that the fact that we did that as we did it, it's going to be the reason why, at least for me, it's subjective like always, but I think for me it's going to be a very nice painting. I hope you like it. I hope you're going to try it, because like we always say in abstract, and especially in pouring, you can never do the same thing twice. So I think it's always interesting, and most of the time we have a nice surprise. So I think this time it's going to be one of those. So guys, like always, please don't forget to join us on Facebook and Instagram. It's always nice to share on a daily basis and a little bit more personal. So I think it's nice. And like always, guys, thanks for being there. And like always, subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Ciao.